folks, Aaron from Bean Sprout here with a tenor guitar. And this is one of those ones where when I hear it and play it, it's just that interesting mixture of like guitar, ukulele, dulcimer, and banjo, like all together. And it just doesn't really sound like any one of those four. It's just like a really interesting combo. So I'm really enjoying playing it today. So to begin with, the back and sides, there's some walnuts, some local walnut from a tree up in Parkdale that my friend Chris got for me. I love the sapwood in it, the kind of two-tone sapwood look, right? No binding, just real simple. And then a beautiful redwood top. Also salvaged by my friend Chris off of a beach. This was a piece of driftwood that he sawed up. You got a salvaged mahogany neck with a walnut stripe, and then pistachio fretboard and headplate. It's got 4 steel strings, a tailpiece, and a floating bridge. This is based off the old Regal design. It's got geared banjo style tuners. And then this customer wants DGBD. So I have to just assume that they might be either a banjo player or like maybe an open tuning guitar player. This one's got a K&K pickup in it, and I think these little brass mandolin tail pieces are what I'm going to stick with in the future. They've been working really good. Yeah, so a real simple instrument. It's very charming. Number 965.